हेलो किड्स, टुडे आई विल टीच आई साउंड वर्ड। क्या सीखेंगे आज हम? आई साउंड वर्ड। आई सेज ई, एन सेज ना, ई ना इन फैमिली। पी सेज पा, आई सेज ई, एन सेज ना, पा in a pin means pin. B says ba, I says e, N says na, ba in a bin means dustbin. W says va, I says e, N says na, va in a win means Vijay. T says ta, I says e, N says na, ta in a tin means tin. Next family, I says e, P says pa, e pa ip family. L says la, I says e, P says pa, la ipa lip means hot. S says sa, I says e, P says pa, sa ipa sip means चुस्की लेना. D says da, I says e, P says pa, da ipa dip means डुबोना. Z says ja, I says e, P says pa, za ipa zip means chain.